Students, let us go through one more sum based on Sn formula. Let's do it. The sum is, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Let's go step by step. The first statement given is sum of first 7 terms is 49. Sum S of first 7 terms, so it is S7, is 49. So for the given AP, S7 is equal to 49. That's the first thing given to us, right? The second is 17 terms is 289. So S17 is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. So we are supposed to find the value of Sn, right? So S7 is given, S17 is given. We are supposed to find Sn. Let's start with the very first condition given, that is S7. Let's use the formula for this. Which formula to be used in such sums? Always the first formula, the one involving D. Okay, let's do it. We know that Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now what is the first thing given to us? S7. So we need to replace n by 7, right? So S7 is equal to 7 upon 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into D. But the value of S7 is also known to us as 49. So S7 can be replaced by 49 is equal to 7 upon 2 into 2a plus 6d. There are two options now. Either take that 2 in the denominator to the other side and multiply it by 49. That's one option. A better option is look inside the bracket. In the bracket, the two coefficients are 2 and 6. And because the coefficients are 2 and 6, can we take 2 common out of that? Because when we take 2 common from it, what remains inside the bracket is a plus 3d, right? And the best part is 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we get rid of the denominator, right? So always better in such sums in Sn, check if anything is common in that, in the bracket. Take that common out, getting cancelled, your calculation becomes easy, right? So what are we left with? Take 7 to the other side, you get 49 upon 7, which is 7. So you get a plus 3d is equal to 7. We are getting a linear equation in 2 variables. We have seen such sums in an, right? Let this be equation number 1. Now let's work for S17. Let's use the formula again. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And because we are talking about S17, let us replace n by 17. So we get S17 is equal to 17 upon 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Let's continue. S17 is 289. So let's replace S17 by 289 is equal to 17 upon 2 into 2a plus 16d. Again, we get two options. Either take that 2 to the other side and multiply, or as we discussed earlier, a better option here again is we have 2 and 16. So 2 again can be taken common out. Take 2 common. What remains inside the bracket is a plus 8d. The best part is 2 and 2 will get cancelled. And what remains? 17 goes down. You get 289 upon 17. So you get a plus 8d is equal to 17 because 17 17s are 289, right? Let this be equation number 2. Look at the two equations. We are getting equation number 1 and 2, which is a pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Let us solve them by the method of elimination. The coefficient of a is same in both the equations. The signs are also same. So let us subtract the two equations. We are just doing it quickly because we have already studied this, right? The second equation, the first equation, do not forget to change the signs. A and a will get cancelled. 8d minus 3d is 5d and 17 minus 7 is 10. 5d is equal to 10, so d is equal to 2. Once you get the value of d, substitute that d in either of the equations and get the value of a. When you substitute in the equation 1, you get a plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. You get a plus 6 is equal to 7. So you get a is equal to 7 minus 6, which is 1. We have the value of a, we have the value of d. Now we can comfortably find the value of Sn. Now let's find Sn. To find Sn, again we need to use the formula. Which formula is to be used? Definitely the first formula because d is here. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N will be n because we are supposed to find Sn. So Sn is equal to, substitute a as 1 as d and d as 2. We get n upon 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. Let's move further, is equal to n upon 2 into 2 plus, open the brackets, you get 2n minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled and what remains is 2n, right? Again 2 will get cancelled, you get n into n, that is n square. So the answer is Sn is equal to n square. As simple as that.